Hey guys, Bryce here at Force Turbos. How are you today? Wanted to show you one of the builds of our employees here at Force Turbos. This thing is amazing, but the cool thing about it is it has all bolt-on products that anybody can purchase and anybody can do in their garage. Has Force Turbos product from head to toe, and it has a lot of other great manufacturers product that makes this thing really neat. You want to come take a look at it, and I'll point some of these things out to you. First off, we have our Force Turbos 3-inch turbo back exhaust with resonator. This exhaust is super awesome. Deep, nice, low tone, double scavenge to get the most efficiency out of the motor. Gains really good horsepower and really good torque without doing a lot. He has our Force Turbos charge tube, pre-airbox high flow intake, so you don't have any more rubber couplers or rubber tubes that are going to collapse on you when you start adding horsepower to these things. He has our pre-airbox, or our intake and our charge tube both, as well as our 40 horsepower tune from Force Turbos. Some of the other items that this thing has is he has his Tusk wheels and Tusk lower doors, his Risk cage, 5150 whips. We don't have them on right now, but they're a super nice product. His ZRP, powder coated to match radius rods and center plate. He has his, let me walk in front of you here. He did everything shock therapy. So he had shock therapy build his shocks, put his springs on, put the sway bar adjustment links in there. Inside, he's got his Razorback clutch temperature gauge, PRP seats, his Assault steering wheel, which is a really nice option, WD on-road kit, his S2 concave mirror, his seismic mirrors for the side there, and his Risk grill up in the front. This thing is a pretty neat little build. Like I say, it's really clean. It works for most everybody out there in the market. It's not really crazy. It's just a good, clean runner. So take a look at all the products at forceturbos.com. Hit up these other manufacturers that build this stuff, and if you have any questions, give us a call. 801-807-8046. Thank you.